Hey, good Thursday morning, and thanks for logging on to BAMWX.com. Meteorologist Michael Clark here with your Midwest forecast update. This is a look at visibility here just as of 7:20 this morning, and some locally very dense fog, especially up here around the lakes, northern, northeast Illinois, even some down here through central Illinois as well, northwest Indiana, southwest Michigan. Some very dense fog, and that will likely probably be the case once again tomorrow. Wouldn't be shocked to see some delays out through here. There's a very shallow, deep inversion going on up here and some very, very dense fog. So probably starts to burn off here closer to late morning. All right, we take a look here at Radar Loop this morning, and this is a drizzle. It's a mist going on out there, and it's just as this whole remnants of Irma continues to get out of here. You're going to kind of deal with this sloppy weather, but I don't think that precipitation lasts all day long. I think that once this inversion starts to burn off, a lot of this should start to move to the east. Now, with that being said, locations here from Indiana south and east, you're going to continue to deal with this mist and this low cloud deck today. So out throughout much of Ohio, northern Illinois, northern Kentucky, southeastern Indiana, eastern Indiana, you're going to be dealing with some off and on showers, just some kind of low-level clouds. And then back out this way here, not really all that bad. All right? It's something that, it's kind of the tale of two worlds. And I think really going forward tomorrow and getting into Saturday, a lot of the cloud cover lingers around the eastern part of the forecast area. Okay? You can see if we take a look here at our NAM computer, our high-resolution NAM, as we go throughout the day today, the gray is 75% or greater cloud cover, okay? So you see across southern and eastern portions of the forecast area, a lot more in the way of clouds as Irma just kind of continues to hang around. Friday morning, there is a potential that there could be some dense fog again, some outlying areas of dense fog. Something to certainly keep in mind. It may be a little bit further south tomorrow morning, but some locally dense fog certainly on the table. And then as we get Friday afternoon and evening, again, this is 5 p.m., still kind of notice it's cloudy and overcast southeast and a little bit more in the way of clear skies to the north and west. And then as we go forward here into Saturday, more of the same. Now Saturday there's a very weak disturbance that moves through, a very weak wave. There may be a passing shower, 10 to 20% chance of a passing shower, but for the most part, we're still looking at mostly cloudy skies, it looks like, in the area on Saturday. The big story here is going to be the temperatures. Look at high temperatures today. I mean, we're into the 60s east and low to mid-80s west. It's a 20-degree spread there just in a few hundred miles here in the forecast area. And then as we get into Friday afternoon, pretty similar, 70 in Columbus, Ohio, but 87 out here in central Illinois. So still close to a 20-degree spread. And those temperatures will only warm as we get into the weekend. This is a forecast visibility here for Friday morning. So again, you can see still some locally dense fog on the table across the area to keep in mind here for tomorrow morning. Now, in terms of getting out into the weekend and the forecast overall, not much in the way of any type of rain or precip chances. A small shower chance Saturday, maybe an isolated shower or storm in western Illinois Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. Then a little bit of a weak disturbance kind of stalls out across the area Monday and Tuesday, and that will offer up the chance Monday afternoon and evening of about a 40 to 50% chance of scattered thunderstorms across west Indiana and most of central Illinois. And then it'll be the same thing again on Tuesday, about a 40% chance of scattered storms across Illinois and western Indiana. All right, but you're not going to get much in the way of rain from this thing. A week out, looking at total rainfall, it's not that much. I mean, across Illinois, maybe a half inch, all right, maybe 3/4 of an inch if you're lucky over the next 7 days. The bigger story here is obviously going to be the temperatures. Again, we're looking at high temperatures here next Monday, low 80s, and then we're mid-80s really all of next week, 86 next Wednesday, and getting into 85 next Thursday, next Friday, 86 once again, 87 next Saturday. So a spell of very warm temperatures, your week 1 temperature outlook. We run 5 to 10 degrees above normal from the 14th to the 20th. Then the 21st to the 27th of September, which is week 2, we run really warm, 8 to 12 degrees above the average. Now, there is the potential that we may see a little bit more active pattern evolve for the western forecast area in week 2, but it's still dry east, as most of the activity is out to the west in this La Nina-like pattern. Make sure to check out the long range today. I've got new model data in on the upcoming winter and just some sneak peeks and previews of what we're thinking. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for logging on. Talk to you soon.